Resurge Review 100% Herbal, Non-Chemical Weight Loss Pill. If you are unable to invest time in losing weight due to busy schedule, but still want to get a flawless body, Resurge may be the supplement you are looking for. With Resurge you can safely shed pounds by boosting the metabolism while you're asleep. What is Resurge Deep Sleep Weight Loss Supplement? Resurge is the dietary supplement that helps to lose weight just by improving your sleeping habits. It is a natural anti-aging and fat-burning solution that is scientifically proven. It activates the fat-burning switch overnight during deep sleep. You can shed away the excess pounds and improve health and performance. It is made of 100% natural ingredients that are safe and pure and doesn't produce any negative side effects. Controls appetite. Lose excess fat stored. It helps to remove toxins. Supports healthy heart and joints. Minimizes blood sugar and pressure. Restores energy and sex drive. Prevents inflammation and gastrointestinal problems. How Resurge helps your body. Resurge efficiently loses your weight while you are in a deep sleep. Its benefits are not limited to here. It actually does more than this. Read down the bullets to see how Resurge can be a blessing to your body. The consistent use helps to reduce your waistline. You will be able to suppress your appetite and unnecessary hunger cravings. Resurge is an effective supplement that helps your body to balance the sleep hormones by controlling the sleep cycle. It regulates the sleep-wake cycle and keeps you away from stress by improving deep sleep during night. Your blood sugar levels will stay in control. Say no to diabetes. Immunity and metabolism get a boost. You will start feeling proud by looking at your figure. The formula strengthens the heart muscles, making you more energetic. There would be no extra deposition of fats, which means no risk of atherosclerosis. You will be able to focus better on your life. It has highly potent ingredients that boosts the sleep hormones and starts burning the fat to lose overweight. Ingredients added in Resurge. Melatonin, it helps to regulate the sleep-wake cycle effectively and provides you the deep sleep during nights. Ashwagandha, this ancient medicinal herb that will help you to manage the body stress and improve the brain function. It also reduces anxiety, depression, blood sugar and improves focus. Hydroxytryptophan, it is a natural amino acid that is produced in the body to produce serotonin. Thus, it can provide deep sleep by fighting anxiety, fatigue, weight gain and other sleep disorders. L-theanine, this amino acid found in tea leaves and mushrooms. It helps to improve relaxation, focus and concentration. It gives you more restful sleep. It has calming agents that improves your sleep ability and makes you to have a deep sleep. Magnesium and zinc, these are essential minerals that your body needs to stay healthy and active. When taken together they are easily absorbed by the body. It reduces fatigue and boosts the sleep quality. Arginine and lysine, this amino acid is provided through the food sources. They minimize the chronic anxiety and prevents hormonal stress in humans. It protects the neural functions of brain. Lysine creates collagen and it helps to move fats through cells that can be burned for energy, which avoids the accumulation of fats. Thus, prevents weight gain. Pros and cons of Resurge supplement. Pros. The ingredients are 100% completely natural and pure and helps you to lose weight. This helps to boost the performance of the sleep-wake cycle to improve the sleep. It helps to burn fat accumulated within the body during the sleep. It is the natural way of losing weight and you can shed those excess pounds without any side effects. The ingredients are effective and they help you to make you sleep deep without any distraction. It balances the sleep hormones and triggers the fat-burning hormones in the body. You can gain lean muscle mass and supports the respiratory and heart health. It makes active, energetic and fit throughout the day. It is simple and easy to take capsules that helps to lose weight. There is a money-back policy that backs the investment of the product. Cons. Only available online, not suitable for children, not suitable for pregnant and nursing mothers, not suitable for people with underlying health conditions. Final words. If you are in dire need for a diet supplement that's effective, 100% natural, and FDA approved, then look no further. Resurge pills are a highly reliable product because it was created by a well-trusted expert. John Barban has helped millions of people, his sister, and various celebrities included, to lose weight. His clients have nothing but great words to say about him and his supplement. If you want to follow the footsteps, then Resurge pills is definitely for you. And this is how confident John is in his product. Don't think it's working for you. No problem. They have a 60-day money-back guarantee in case you don't find it effective. Can't wait to test this supplement out yourself. Click on the link below and order now to enjoy amazing discounts.